So today I'm going to show you a fun app called oneko. So I'll just show you how to reach there. So on Ubuntu Linux, just open the software center, and in the search bar you can just type oneko. And so basically I'll show you the fun part. A cat chases mouse pointer. So after installing, what you can see is, so probably I'll open my terminal. So yeah, so after installing you will probably need to launch it. So after launching, what you can see is, you can see a cat jumping. Yeah, there it is. So if you go to the desktop, you can see a cat chasing your mouse pointer. so if you don't move your mouse pointer, it'll just doze off, and you can just play around. So it's a lot of fun to use it, but like if you're trying to focus on something, it's quite irritating. So let me see if you can, yeah, so you can stop it or remove it. So stopped it. Yeah, so I think it's disappeared. No, it's not disappeared. So you can see it's still chasing my mouse. So let's see. So I think probably there's a need for me to log off from my desktop. Only then it'll start. It'll stop showing. So let's confuse it. It's idle. Okay, cool. So a lot of cool stuff on Ubuntu Linux. Okay.